face. Hey people, so this is a cute video of my baby rabbit licking my child. Because it's just I think this is what keeping pets is all for. And here
I raised
yeah,
it's Jupiter. I raised him since he was a baby.
Yeah, since he was this size. Look at this guy. And Ayush, why do you think he's licking you, Ayush? It's Jupiter? Ayush, are you sure?
That's Jamie.
See, Jamie is a boy. Jupiter is so affectionate. I didn't know that. Oh, it really loves you, Ayush. Just look at that kind of licking. And what are these other two people doing? One is sitting here, one is... Oh, this guy is looking so cute. It's just... The puppies are on the bed and it's because it's hot. It's just so nice to spend time with them. Yeah, really. So this is just... Ayush, any words for anyone who wants to keep a rabbit as a pet? I want to keep recording while it's licking you. Lick me also, Ray. What is this lady?
If a rabbit loves you, you love it.
Yeah, it's going on licking you, Chona. And there, one more. You are ambushed with rabbits. There. Baby rabbits. So cute. Seriously cute. Hello, hero. Obba is on my head right now. Oh God.